With each work of art I create, I desire to uncover a masterpiece. Hello, welcome to my studio. My name is Peggy Schuning, and I'm a mixed media and mosaic artist. My studio is full of inspiration. It's my own private cheerleader. My first fans sit above a window in my workspace. Most are actually animals made out of socks that I've created in the past. The yellow one was my first, and his name is Sunny D. I started making vision boards at the beginning of 2014, before I chose to pursue art as a profession. In December of each year, I attempt to look ahead and lay out my hopes and dreams and visions of the upcoming year. The vision board wall also includes my ribbons and certificates that have been awarded mainly at art shows and exhibits that I've participated in. Seeing them on the wall definitely helps me feel supported and motivated as I work. The whiteboards in the corner help me focus on commissions, art fairs, or other deadlines that are upcoming. So hopefully at this point you'll notice that I normally need to see things visually to be reminded of all the resources I have at my hands. My work table was a gift from my husband early on in our marriage. It formerly belonged to a stained glass artist working studio in Covington, Kentucky. It's a 4-foot by 8-foot heavy wood table and has plenty of workspace on it for projects, and they're all at various stages of completeness. It also has loads of storage underneath. On my workbench, you'll see finished products in the process of curing, substrates waiting for design layout, and projects ready for mosaicing. The cross is my next piece ready for this. You'll also find the tools that I usually have available, a blend of thin set beside a mixing cup, and my tabletop Hardy and combination hammer, convenient for quick, precise cutting. I want to tell you more about my Mosaic Log. It's set up now with a carbide tip Hardy and carbide tip hammers. This particular one, the Aquilia hammer, cuts glass like butter. Before mosaicing the cross, I need to cut some white gold into smaller pieces of Tesori. Basically, my job is to hold the Tesori perpendicular to the Hardy and guide the hammer to split it along the edge of the Hardy. It makes a beautiful sound as it cuts. To begin, I have tweezers, slivers of slate, and the white gold ready to lay into the thin set that's already been placed where I want to add the Tesori. Once I place each piece, there is some adjustment that occurs before each Tesori is embedded in its forever home. You can find more of my artwork and my upcoming art shows at my website, PeggySchuningMosaics.com. You can also see more works in progress and follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Peggy Schuning Mosaics. Have a great day.